There's a moment, a very specific moment, when a man finally starts to understand women, not what they say, not what movies show, not what society tells him to believe, but what's actually going on inside her mind. And when that moment hits, everything changes. The confusion disappears, the frustration fades, and suddenly, the game makes sense. Because here's the truth no one tells you. Women don't think about men the way men think about women. Not even close. And if you don't understand this, you'll keep making the same mistakes over and over again. So today, we're breaking it down. How women actually think about men, what attracts them, what turns them off, and why some guys win while others get ignored. But before we go deeper, if you want to understand female psychology on a level most men never will, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because what you're about to learn will change how you see women forever. Let's start with the first truth. 1. Women don't see men. They feel them. Most men believe attraction is logical. She'll like me because I'm nice. She'll choose me because I care. She'll stay because I treat her well. Sounds good, right? But reality works differently. Women don't evaluate men like a checklist. They experience men emotionally. It's not about what you say. It's about how you make her feel. You can say all the right words, and she still won't be attracted. And another guy can say almost nothing, and she feels everything. That's the difference. Because in her mind, you're not just a person, you're an experience. 2. Attraction isn't fair. This is where most men get frustrated. Because attraction doesn't reward effort. You can try harder than everyone else, and still lose to a guy who barely tries. Why? Because attraction isn't about fairness. It's about emotional impact. Women are drawn to men who create intensity, confidence, unpredictability, presence, not effort. And that's why you've seen it before. The good guy gets ignored. The toxic guy gets attention. It's not because she likes bad behavior. It's because he triggers emotion. And emotion is everything. 3. Women test men constantly. Most guys don't even realize this is happening. But women test men all the time. Not because they want to manipulate, but because they want to understand you. She might ignore your message, cancel plans, challenge your opinions. And in that moment, she's watching, not what you say, but how you react. Do you get needy? Do you chase harder? Do you lose your confidence? Or do you stay calm, grounded, unaffected? Because in her mind, your reaction reveals your value. 4. Confidence beats looks. Yes, looks matter, but not the way you think. Looks get attention. Confidence keeps it. A good-looking guy with no confidence feels weak. An average-looking guy with strong presence feels powerful. And women are naturally drawn to power, not arrogance, not ego, but certainty. The kind of energy that says, I don't need validation. I choose. I don't chase. That's what separates men. 5. Women are emotionally strategic. Here's something most men misunderstand. Women aren't random. They're strategic. Emotionally, they invest where they feel something. They pull back where they don't, and they protect their emotions carefully. If she senses instability, she withdraws. If she senses strength, she leans in. It's not about playing games. It's about emotional safety. And paradoxically, she feels safest with a man who doesn't need her. 6. Attention is currency. In today's world, attention is everything. And women receive more of it than ever. Messages, likes, DMs, options. So when she gives you attention, that's not casual. That's investment. But here's the mistake men make. They overvalue her attention and undervalue their own. They reply instantly. They over-explain. They become too available. And suddenly, they lose the very thing that made them attractive. Because in her mind, if you're always available, you're not valuable. 7. Women notice what you don't say. Men focus on words. Women focus on behavior. Your tone, your timing, your energy. You can say, I'm confident, but if your actions don't match, she feels the truth instantly. Because women are highly tuned to emotional signals. They read between the lines. And what you don't say often says more than what you do. 8. Scarcity creates attraction. This is uncomfortable, but real. The more available you are, the less attractive you become. Not because she doesn't like you, but because there's no challenge, no mystery, no tension. Attraction needs space to grow. That's why distance sometimes increases interest. And why chasing too much kills it. Because in her mind, what's easy isn't valuable. 9. Women want a leader but won't say it. Modern dating will tell you everything should be equal, and in many ways it is. But attraction isn't political, it's psychological. Women are naturally drawn to men who lead, not control, not dominate. Lead, make decisions,
set direction,
stay grounded, because leadership creates certainty, and certainty creates attraction. 10 emotions change fast. This is where men get confused. Yesterday she was interested. Today she feels distant. What happened? Nothing and everything. Women process emotions dynamically. Their feelings shift based on experience, which means attraction isn't static. It's something you continuously create, not something you secure once. 11. Women remember how you made them feel. She might forget what you said, but she will never forget how she felt around you. Did she feel excited, safe, alive, or bored, confused, unsure? Because in her mind, you're not remembered by logic, you're remembered by emotion. Also 12, status isn't what you think. It's not just money, not just looks. Status is perception, how you carry yourself, how others respond to you, how you respond to yourself. A man who respects himself automatically feels higher value, and women pick up on that instantly. 13, women don't chase, they choose. Men chase, women choose. That's the dynamic, and the moment you reverse it, everything changes. When you stop chasing and start focusing on your purpose, she starts noticing, because in her mind, a man with direction is rare. We have 14, emotional control is power. The man who controls his emotions controls the situation. If you react too quickly, you lose leverage. If you stay calm, you gain it. Because emotional stability signals strength, and strength creates attraction. 15, women compare men constantly. Not always consciously, but it happens between you and other men in her life. And she's asking, who feels stronger? Who feels more certain? Who creates more emotion? That's how decisions are made. 3 or 16, you can't negotiate attraction. No amount of explaining will make her feel something she doesn't. Attraction isn't logical, it's instinctive, which means you don't convince. You attract. Letter 17, mystery beats oversharing. The more predictable you are, the less interesting you become. Women enjoy discovery, layers, depth, unknowns. So when you reveal everything too fast, you remove the intrigue. Letter 18, women respect strength more than kindness. Kindness is important, but without strength, it feels weak. The ideal combination, strong but kind, not nice but grounded. 19, she's always evaluating your direction. Where are you going in life? Do you have purpose? Are you improving? Because women are naturally drawn to growth. A man without direction feels unstable. 20, the final truth. Women don't think about men the way men expect. They feel them, test them, experience them, and choose based on emotion, not logic. So if you want to understand women, stop focusing on what they say. Start observing how they respond, because that's where the truth is. And this is just the beginning. In the next part, we're going even deeper. We'll break down why women lose interest suddenly, how attraction actually builds over time, and the psychological triggers that make her chase you. So stay tuned, because what's coming next is where most men finally wake up. If you've made it this far, you already understand more than most men ever will. But now, we go deeper, because understanding the basics isn't enough. The real power comes from knowing what happens beneath the surface, the hidden patterns, the silent triggers, the things women feel, but rarely explain. 21, why women lose interest suddenly. This is one of the biggest mysteries for men. Everything feels perfect. She's texting fast. She's laughing. She's engaged. And then distance, cold replies, less effort, different energy. And you're left thinking, what did I do wrong? Most of the time, it's not one big mistake. It's a slow shift in perception. Maybe you became too available. Maybe you stopped leading. Maybe the emotional intensity dropped. Because attraction isn't stable. It's like a fire. If you don't keep adding fuel, it fades. 22. Familiarity kills attraction. Comfort is good, but too much comfort kills excitement. When everything becomes predictable, there's no tension, no anticipation, no spark. And women crave emotional stimulation. That doesn't mean drama. It means energy, variety, surprise, challenge. Because in her mind, if nothing changes, nothing grows. 23. The push-pull dynamic. This is something naturally attractive men do. Without realizing it, they create balance. Sometimes they lean in, sometimes they pull back. Not as a strategy, but as a reflection of their life. They're busy, focused, unavailable at times. And that creates curiosity, because when you're always there, there's nothing to miss. The 24, why she tests your boundaries. At some point, she will challenge you, not directly, but subtly. Maybe she shows up late, maybe she cancels last minute, maybe she says something slightly disrespectful. and again. She's watching. Do you tolerate it, or do you calmly set boundaries? Because in her mind, the man who accepts everything values nothing. Or 25, emotional peaks create attachment. Women bond through emotional experiences. The stronger the feeling, the deeper the memory. That's why boring interactions never last. But moments of intensity stick. Laughter, excitement, even slight tension. These create emotional peaks, and those peaks build attachment. There's the 26, why being too nice backfires. This is where many men go wrong. They try to be perfect, always agreeable, always available, always accommodating, and instead of attraction, they get ignored. Why? Because there's no edge, no strength, no individuality. Being nice isn't the problem. Being predictable and submissive is. 27, women respect what they earn. If everything comes easy, it doesn't feel valuable. That's human nature, but especially in attraction. When she has to invest, her feelings grow stronger. Time, effort, emotion. The more she gives, the more she values it. Number 28, your life matters more than your words. You can say all the right things, but if your life doesn't reflect value, it won't matter. Because women don't just listen, they observe what you do, how you live, what you prioritize, and that creates the real attraction. For 29, why indifference is powerful. This doesn't mean you don't care. It means you're not dependent. You're okay whether she stays or leaves. That energy is rare and extremely attractive because most men are desperate for approval. Women follow emotional momentum. Attraction builds in waves. If momentum is increasing, she leans in. If it's decreasing, she pulls away. That's why consistency matters, not in effort, but in emotional impact. 31, the illusion of mixed signals. Most of the time, there are no mixed signals. There's just inconsistent attraction. When she's interested, it's clear. When she's unsure, it feels confusing. And when she's not interested, it becomes distant. The problem isn't her signals, it's how men interpret them. There are 32, why she comes back after you leave. You've seen this before. You stop texting, you move on, you focus on yourself, and suddenly, she reappears. Why? Because absence creates clarity. When you're always there, she doesn't feel your value. When you're gone, she does. And 30, emotional control versus emotional suppression. There's a difference. Control means you feel, but don't react impulsively. Suppression means you ignore emotions completely. Women are attracted to control because it signals strength, but suppression feels disconnected. Number 34, why women are drawn to uncertainty. Too much certainty feels boring. Too much unpredictability feels unsafe. Attraction lives in the middle, where she knows you're solid, but not fully predictable. That balance creates intrigue. 35, the role of competition. Even if she doesn't admit it, social proof matters. If other women find you attractive, it increases your perceived value, because in her mind, you've been validated. 36, why you should never overinvest early. This is one of the biggest mistakes, giving too much too soon. Time, attention, emotion, before she's earned it. And that creates imbalance, because attraction grows best when investment is mutual. Number 37, women are highly intuitive. They sense confidence. They sense insecurity. They sense intention, even when nothing is said. That's why authenticity matters, because you can't fake energy. 38, the power of walking away. The ability to leave is power, not as a threat, but as a standard. When you know your value, you don't tolerate disrespect, and that alone changes how she sees you. 39, why purpose is the ultimate attraction. At the end of the day, nothing beats purpose. A man who is focused, driven, building something meaningful, automatically stands out. Because he's not chasing women, he's chasing growth. And that is magnetic. There's where 40, the final reality. Women don't think about men in simple terms. It's layered, emotional, instinctive, dynamic. And the men who understand this don't struggle. They don't chase. They don't beg for attention. They become the man women naturally gravitate toward. If you made it to the end, you now understand something most men never will. But knowledge alone isn't enough. You have to apply it, observe, adapt, improve. Because the moment you do, everything changes. And if you want more content like this, make sure you subscribe. Because this channel is where average men become dangerous, and where understanding turns into power.